Envoy has definitely streamlined our visitor and delivery process by the ease of use of it and the ability that our staff has to utilize it. My name is Chanan Rothenberg. I'm our manager of stadium security and systems for the Washington Commanders football team. The Washington Commanders are an NFL team, one of 32 teams in the National Football League. We try to provide a secure environment where fans can feel safe and comfortable attending these events. Before, I'd all be pen and paper on a sheet every single day, and that's like thousands on thousands of sheets that you're going through for a single calendar year, and you better hope you don't lose them or else you're going to have gaps in your log. Envoy is our visitor management system, as well as our delivery log system. It's very important we capture this information because it is a requirement that the league provides, makes all its stadiums do. They want a comprehensive visitor log. The Envoy automates it for us and really makes our lives a lot easier in capturing this information. For our visitor management log, when people sign in, it says who they are, who they work for, and who they're here to see, right? That's such an important thing for us. And the same goes with the delivery log too. But also adding in our vendors here, because we have a lot of vendors that work here. We're a concession company, cleaning company. It helps us keep everything in one bucket where our loading dock operator can scan a package and it'll know who it's going to. Envoy helps create a seamless experience for our front office staff. When they start with the organization, thanks to the integration with Microsoft, they already have a login, so they don't have to worry about whether or not they know how to sign into this. It's already there.